On February 17, 2022, former High Court Judge Nkonde had dragged the state to court over the Judicial Complaints Commission's decision to proceed to reopen a complaint lodged against him by Post newspaper proprietor Dr. Fred Membe in 2017, disregarding the ruling by Lusaka High Court Judge in charge Getrude Chawatama. But 7 months after, the former judge wants the petition discontinued as per notice before court. The court is however yet to grant him his plea. In this matter, Mr. Nkonde was seeking a declaration that the JCC's action to hear the complaint after Judge Chawatama's ruling is inconsistent with the provisions of Article 8A and C of the Constitution of Zambia as amended, and an order of certiorari to remove into the High Court for purposes of quashing the said decision. He also wants a declaration that the party aggrieved by the decision of a High Court judge has the right to appeal and not take out a complaint before the JCC, as well as a declaration that his subjection to a procedure different from the one adopted for other persons appearing before the JCC is unfair and a breach of Article 8D of the Constitution. The petitioner had submitted that he is seeking a determination of the breaches of the Constitution by the JCC, as it was interfering with the judicial discharge of his then functions by proceeding to rehear a complaint lodged with them by Dr. Membe dated February 17th. Mr. Nkonde, in his petition, said sometime in 2016, Andrew Chanda and other former employees of the Post Newspapers Limited commenced liquidation proceedings against the paper, which matter was allocated to him to adjudicate upon, and a number of interlocutory applications were made in the course of adjudicating upon the matter. Inter alia, the application to appoint a provisional liquidator for the Post newspapers and an application to have Dr. Membe joined to the proceedings. The petitioner stated that sometime in February 2017, one of the shareholders of the Post newspapers, Dr. Membe, being aggrieved with the interlocutory decisions rendered by him, decided to lodge a complaint against him before the JCC. Mr. Nkonde further stated that the JCC proceeded to hear and determine the complaint and consequently found him with a prima facie case and submitted to the president that he be suspended as High Court judge to allow the commission to conduct a hearing of the complaint. Darius Jr., Diamond News.